In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the latest bank statement on Commonwealth. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a disclaimer and say that this is a process that you can do either through the mobile app or the net banking online banking features. I'm going to teach you visually how to do this through the net banking online screen. However, you can also use the mobile app if you wish. The process is roughly the same. If you are doing this through the net bank online banking features, all you have to do is sign into your account using your credentials, and once you log in, select View Accounts on the menu at the top of the screen, and then click Statements, as you can see over here. When you go into the Statements tab, you will be able to select which account you want to see the bank statements for. So select the account from the drop-down menu that appears, and at the bottom of your screen, all the statements up to 7 years or however time frame is displayed to you will appear. All you have to do now is select each year that you would like to view the bank statements for, and you will have the option to download them at the right side of them. As you can see, you can use the tick box on the left side of each of them to select multiple and download. You can also email them directly to someone as necessary. You can set a custom time frame or a summary at the right side of the screen, and as long as you go into this page using your credentials, you are going to be seeing all of your latest bank statements displayed. I hope I was able to help you on how to get the latest bank statements on the Commonwealth Bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.